Hello, party people. This is Randy, Thunderhorse Descendant. I couldn't wait to open this box. This box is a goodie box that came from Beadalon, and I wanted to give you my first impressions. I don't know what's in this box, so I'm super excited. So let's just jump right on into it, huh? Here we go. I'm gonna try to open it and then get everything out of the box so we can really look at it. Up close and personal. Okay, they were really serious about this endeavor. So as soon as I can get everything out of here, we will take a look at it. But I couldn't wait for regular scheduled programming. I had to, I was like, oh, it's here. And I wanted to open it on camera. So, given it's nighttime, oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, let's just get everything out of this box. Oh my lordy lord. Beadalon was not playing with me. You guys, I'm so excited. I've never gotten a goodie box before from Beadalon. And I look at all this stuff. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. So, okay, first of all, it's nighttime, so I'm hoping you guys are having an okay time seeing this video. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is 22 gauge by the dozen artistic wire. It's all the colors. Are these ones? Okay, these ones are different. Okay, so it's literally like all the colors, you guys. Oh, this one's 24 gauge. 24 gauge. Oh, this is so awesome. I'm so excited. These are like the more these ones are like the more bright colors. Honestly, the only colored wire that I own is green, and I bought it for Christmas. Oh, I take that back. I think I also have a red artistic wire. So this is super, super awesome. I'm so excited. What is this one? Oh. Oh my goodness. This is 26 gauge. I have never had anything less than a 24 gauge as far as gauges go. So it looks like these are actually these same colors, just in 22 and 26 gauge. You guys, I'm so excited. Okay. All right, that's that. What is this? Oh my goodness. This is the new colored Elonga string from Beadalon. That is so awesome. You guys, I'm like literally almost crying. Like, these are like $10 on the website. They just came out. They just introduced them. I seen from videos in Tucson. They introduced this in Tucson. And everybody just got back like yesterday or 2 days ago. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I use Elonga a lot for my stretchy bracelets. Okay, and then they have oh, more Elonga. I've never even seen it. I've never had it in this roll before. Every time I go on the website, it's sold out. Okay, this is the one I usually use. It is 0.7 millimeters. It's more of like the clear one. This one's more of like a white. And I think that's because this is a 1 millimeter. But I'm super excited to try it. It's like 82 feet. You guys, you know I'm going to be using this for my helping with the leukemia and lymphoma bracelet making. That's great, because I just messaged them prior to this, and I asked them if they would donate some Alonga cord so I can make those bracelets. So this is amazing. What is this one? Also Alonga, 0.3 millimeters. I've never had a 0.3. I guess I'll be able to see which ones I really like. It's cool. They come on these little rolls. Oh, I'm super excited. Okay. What else do we got? There's like these boxes. What is this? Wildfire? Oh my goodness, you guys. Now, I will be honest. Everybody talks about using Wildfire. I use a different kind of wire. It's just the same wire that I've always used. But I'm excited to try it and see what the goings-ons is with the Beadalon Wildfire. Everybody raves about it. And I have all the colors. That's so cool. This is a 0.15 millimeter. So I'll have to do some research about that. Let you guys know what's up with that. I gotta know what's in these boxes. What is this? You guys. Oh my goodness. I'm literally gonna pass out. I gotta call these people and thank them. This is the brand new, I know you might be struggling to see the color. This is the multicolored artistic wire they just launched in Tucson. Oh my gosh. It's like black and red and gold. Looks like these are all the same. 20 gauge. So I bet these are just like different colors, maybe? Yep. Oh my goodness. I'm literally gonna cry, you guys. That's so awesome. These are all the same. Okay, this is 22 gauge. I'm looking for a color. Brown, green, and gold. Brown, green, and gold. What's this one say? Red, gold, and black. So this must be a different color. What color are you? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's my favorite. Pink, black, and green. 18 gauge. Okay. Oh, okay, so these are 22. These are 20, and these are 18. That is so amazing. I cannot believe they sent all of this. And there's still more. There's some findings. Findings pack. Gold and silver. And you guys, oh my goodness. They're so thoughtful too. Because not only did they send all the colors and different types of stuff, they also sent findings in both silver and gold for the Wildfire. So you can, make whatever your preference is. That is so amazing. That is amazing. I am so grateful and so excited to try out all of these wonderful things. This is the first ever goodie box that I've ever gotten, and I'm so grateful. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm glad you were here for this experience. Thank you so much. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comments. You can subscribe to these videos by clicking my logo. That will help you to subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can be notified when I'm putting up new videos. And I'm going to have so much fun with this. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.